To use a quick launch on OnePlus 13, first we need to open a settings of our device. Then navigate down to the security and privacy options, scroll down again and find device unlock. Now when we look on the fingerprint and face unlock, you'll be able to click on it, but before that you also need to set up a screen lock. When the screen lock is set, move right here to the fingerprint and make sure that the fingerprint is also on. After that, you'll be able to click on it, unlock your phone and scroll down looking for a quick launch. When you open it, then make sure that quick launch function is active, and when you scroll down, you can see a current menu. Now when you can adjust the icons, and how it works is when your phone is locked, you can hold your fingerprint right here with the finger, and then when you hold it for something like 5 seconds, it will open this quick menu and you can select different apps that you can quickly launch. So let's get to edit, which allows you to pick a different functions from your phone or apps that you can assign on the top. And in this case, let's replace the camera with the Google Chrome. So we want to go for the camera right here and Google Chrome right here. Click on done and our options are saved. Now if we lock our device and then try to unlock it while holding our finger, you'll see this quick menu and you can choose a app that you want to open. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.